Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a fun and creative Halloween candy display stand using takeout containers and paper plates. Perfect for a spooky party. Create your unique Halloween display with just a few simple steps. You will need glue gun and glue sticks, Mod Podge, paper plate, black takeout containers, orange paint and paintbrush, rhinestone stickers, Halloween pattern napkins, candies or chocolates, and treat bags. First, paint your paper plates to orange color and try to cover the blue flower prints as much as you can. Once one side is dried up, you paint the other side. Let your plates dry up completely. Second, take your Halloween patterned napkins and remove the second sheet. Choose a pattern of your choice and gently tear them out. Try to make the edges as rough and not smooth and not even as much as possible. For the design on this plate, I just want the jack-o'-lanterns and bats. That's how it's going to look like for the design on the first plate. Now I'm going ahead and working on the design for the second plate. For the second plate, I will be working with this bigger pattern that has the beautiful purple background. Make the edges rough. I'm sort of pinching the edges and tearing it so gently so as not to tear the paper like so. Third, layer it onto your orange plate and apply Mod Podge over it. Start applying it from the middle and spread it out. Let it dry, go ahead and work on your second plate. Same process, apply Mod Podge over it and spread it out. Once it's completely dried up, take your sponge brush and black paint, dab it over your plate like so to give it a spooky effect. This is how it looks like for the first design on the plate. It's looking beautiful. For the design on the second plate, go ahead and dab it with black paints around the center. Let it dry, then go ahead and stick the white small rhinestone stickers like so. Here is how it looks like for the design on the second plate. Fourth, let's make the display stand. Take your black takeout containers. The first container will be upside down. Apply hot glue around the edges and put the second container downside up like so. Press it down gently so that the second container lays on top of the first container. Apply hot glue around the edges and take your third container and put on top of it like so. Gently press it down. Now go ahead, apply hot glue again and put the fourth container on top of it. Press it down and this is how it looks like. Lastly, put some treats into the Halloween treat bags and tie the bag. Make as many as you need. Layer your treat bags onto your display stand. made out of takeout containers and paper plates. Voila! Here is your fun and creative Halloween candy display stand using takeout containers and paper plates. How unique and easy was this to make? Perfect for a spooky party. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my quick and easy DIY glow-in-the-dark ghost treat bag. You will be glad that you did. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye and take care.